Sir Tonyo, tama po ba na lahat ng ginagawa ng OVP tungkol sa confidential funds, so request, amounts, justifications, use at pagsagot sa mga puna ng COA, tama po ba na lahat ng ito ay dinesisyonan at inaprubahan ni VP Duterte?
Based on the mga replies, ma'am, yes, I was able to provide a copy to the head of agency, ma'am. Again, being the head of agency, ma'am, I provided her with the information.
At base doon, dinesisyonan at inaprubahan niya ang lahat ng ito?
Yes, and from that time, ma'am, we signed off on the document for submission to the Commission on Audit.
With the last touch or final sign-off being that of VP Duterte?
Yes, ma'am. Being the head of agency, ma'am, we sought her approval on it, ma'am.
At sang-ayon po ba kayo na bilang yung ganong head of agency na si VP Duterte ang responsable at pinaka-responsable sa lahat ng iyan?
Well, being the head of agency, ma'am, I believe that kailangan niyang malaman lahat ng mga nangyayari, and I know, ma'am, na si Ma'am Inday really wants to know details, no, especially on implementation of the different activities that we do in the office. So it is really meron talagang involvement in terms of ensuring that things are properly implemented within the office.
And based on that knowing, batay sa kaalamang iyon, siya ang pinaka-responsable sa kabuang iyan.
Based on that, ma'am, being the head of agency, ma'am, I would say so, ma'am.
Alright. Gano'ng katagal nyo na po kilala si VP Duterte?
Siguro, ma'am, more than 10 years, ma'am. I started working together with her, ma'am, in 2008.
At saan po at so almost 20 years pala. So at saan po at paano nyo siya nakilala?
Nakilala ko po siya, ma'am, bilang Vice Mayor sa Davao City, ma'am. And then at the time, ma'am, when they were looking for several staff members for the office of the Vice Mayor, I submitted an application, ma'am.
At magkakilala rin po ba kayo ni Ms. Gina Acosta kahit bago po kayo nakipagtrabaho sa isa't isa sa OVP?
I knew of Ms. Gina Acosta, ma'am, during my employment, ma'am, with Sangguniang Panlungsod during the time ni Ma'am Inday as the Vice President, ma'am, and Vice Mayor as the Vice Mayor.
So prior sa OVP, magkakilala at magkatrabaho na po kayo?
Kilala ko po si Ms. Gina, nakikita ko po siya sa Sangguniang Panlungsod.
Panlungsod. And then, what about po si Colonel La Chica? Magkakilala na rin po ba kayo at magkatrabaho bago kayo magkatrabaho sa OVP?
I first knew of Colonel La Chica, ma'am, when I was already with the Office of the Vice President, ma'am.
So would you say po na nasa circle of trust kayo ni VP Duterte? Kayo ni na Miss Gina Acosta, Colonel La Chica at kayo nga po?
Well, ma'am, I can only answer for myself, ma'am. In terms of working relationship, ma'am, I would say that I have the trust and confidence of the VP in terms of doing duties that are assigned to me.
Pero sasabihin nyo ba na walang trust at confidence si VP Duterte kay Ms. Gina Acosta?
I cannot categorically say, ma'am, but I would say, ma'am, na could be, baka meron po,